cute little animals. It's too much.
Define too much.
What's wrong with cute animals?
So are we doing this or what?
Nah, it's over.
Well, someone's got to break the noose in there.
The beers were like, they had body. And I was like, oh my gosh, they have body. And so I was like really excited that they had body things. And then the idiot said, no, you would get this body if you have to buy these beers. You just gave him a body. And he didn't have to buy 600 beers. I just want one body. I got so mad. I was arguing with him.
7:30, leaving Cold Spring Shelter, something like that. 7:30 in the morning. It's a good start. Packed up, headed down the trail. We got a long one today. I believe it's 12.6. So we'll see how that goes. That's will be the most I've ever done in the Smokies for sure. Just a second, I'll show you the water source. It's just another 10 or 15 yards down here, I think. It's a great water source. A spring. It was out of a pipe. And here it is. Endless flow of water. All right, let's get this hike started. Right, look at the sun coming through the fog, through the trees. This is absolutely beautiful. Nice cool morning. It was very cool last night. Ferns everywhere in this part of the trail. I don't know what flower or type of plant this is. It's beautiful. But that is almost straight down. There is straight out. Yeah. You wouldn't want to fall down there. It'd be a tree that stop you, maybe. All right. It's a beautiful day. It's coolness, but I'm starting to sweat with the few climbs. It's mostly been down so far. We do have some ups. Wow. Yeah. Don't slip. That's where I'm going, but I have to stop all the time for views like this. It's totally awesome. Zoom in. Wow, what beauty. What beauty. We're on a ridge. Both sides drop down. That's the way I came from. Just came under this. This baby's going to fall. A couple of those little lower limbs break and she'll be falling and crossing the trail. Hope nobody's around it when they get here, when it happens. And this is the way I'm going. It's pretty amazing. The entire way, this is probably the least steep, and it's probably at least 75-degree angle. That's straight out. We're going to Laurel Top, which is maybe about 2 more miles, and I might take a break there. Most of my views have been on the left side of the trail, and we're northbound, so mostly east, or no, that would be west. Starting to get views on the right. Only about a mile, a little less than a mile from Laurel Top, so it's got a little bit of a climb left. That should be the high point for today. Ouch! Ouch, 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 ouch. I need to raise my foot up a little higher. All right. The hits just keep on coming. Look at that. We do have supposedly some storms coming in, which you can see. Looks like it could be. Those clouds just rolled in while I was here. Wow. But it's beautiful. Half a mile from Laurel Top. Well, I've already made it over Laurel Top. There was no view. So I was expecting a view to key me, but all of a sudden I started going downhill, and I'm going, wow, maybe I've made Laurel Top. And sure enough, check my gut hook app, and definitely on my way down, there's a view in point 1, probably more pictures. All right, I just came down this. This is the sort of stuff that really slows you down. I'd like the video coming down, but I need both poles to be very careful. The rocks are slippery. Step around the roots. All right, we are now just about halfway, and look at the view. Uh-oh.
Yeah.
It's rolling in. On the other side, I think I saw fairly clear.
It was the other side up there.
Uh-huh.
Was clear. This side was,
Yeah.
was socked in.
Yeah. All right, Tom said this is worth looking at. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh, and the view's coming back. This is about an 85 degree incline. Do not go down there. And this is a good view again. So zoom in. Whoop. Oh, beautiful. That's where it came from. The entire trail is like 85 degrees down. I mean, that is steep. Only thing that would stop you is the trees, and sometimes there's no trees. That's straight out. And then it just ran on this thing. It's like a little cave. I'm surprised there's not a bear sleeping in there. Maybe overnight they would. Huh. All right, not me. I forgot to mention a while ago, I did slip on a rock and fell down. I don't know really what happened. Like I said, to my right is almost straight down, and it always has been since we left. Had I slipped and fallen over to the right, wow, that would have been really tough. Yeah, one of my poles was over close to the edge. I would have lost a pole. And luckily, I think it might have been my pole slipped along. My foot was not placed good, and it slipped as well. But I fell pretty much on a flat rock on my butt, so really didn't hurt anything. I've got plenty of padding there. No edges. If there were edges, that could have made a big difference. Here's behind me. All right. Carry on. That's where I came from. Nice view. Rain still hasn't come in. However, I think up there is where I'm going. That's not where I'm going to finish, but that's within the next half mile, I believe. Anyway, what a view. And this is where I'm going. Up, up, up. There's a geo marker. Elevation 5849. Ooh, that was almost too late. That fog or cloud is rolling in. Going to interrupt this view here probably in just a minute. I'm not sure where that is. I'm pretty sure we're coming up on another great view. Oh wow. Oh my gosh. Yes. Zoom in. Zoop. Ah. A little bit of trail time in this part of the forest. It's really looks like pine forest. It's almost like it's enchanted. Finally fairly level. Had quite a few ups and downs. Love these moss-covered logs. All right, this is tri-corner knob. It is full. And all right, this is my setup tonight. It's another questionable one, but I think I've got it covered. I'll show a picture of the backside where I've got some rocks up for the tent bottom. There's a shelter. There's just a bunch of people up there, so I do not want to stay in it. It's supposed to pour tonight, so I'm hoping the rain will run under this and out. I'll show you the rocks in a minute, but I think it's pretty good shape. We'll see.